Hello, welcome to Spy Money. 4 contracts run from about 11:10 today until right now, and untouched. I paused the bot. There's actually 2 more winning trades here, and it would actually be in a trade right now if I had it turned on, and right there would be the 3rd winner. So each winner is about $800. So there's another $2,400 in winners that. This would be on top of that, so it would make it about $13,000. I paused the bot, and $4,000 trade turns into $14,600, less some commissions. And I'll scroll back here and show you where I turned it on. Let's see, where is it? It's about 11 o'clock. I went back too fast. About 11 o'clock today, I turned it on. Here it is. And so right here are some of the trades. The very first one was the winner, the loser, the winner, winner. There's a loser there, winner, winner, winner. And it just keeps on going. You're not going to win every trade. The main thing is that you have enough at the end of the day to where you can be profitable. And as you can see right here, it is profitable day. And there was... I forgot to pause it during the session close and open. So there was actually 3 losers right there, because anytime you have, like when you go to close, we usually pause the bot before 5 o'clock, and then we go ahead and start it up again, usually about 1-2 minutes after the open, because there's that big jump in the open, and I forgot to pause it. You can turn the settings on to where it will automatically do it, but I didn't do it. And this brings it up $10,690 in profits, running 4 contracts. You can see here there's a 4. Untouched, the bot did everything. If you managed the bot a little bit, you could have done better, I'm sure. But if you just want the bot to do it, this is what it would have done. There's another trade right here that's a winner, and this one's a winner. This one's a winner. And right now, this would not be entered because we have a green wildfire. So we're using the wildfire as right there would be an entry. If we turn this on when this closes, and we'll just go ahead and pause it and see if it'll do it. And being around this VWAP, I don't like it to trade, but we'll let it see what it'll do. The bot just entered on its own. And let's see if we get it. Some profit in here. See what it'll do. And again, going into that VWAP, I'm not real happy with that. The way this is going, it looks like it's got enough room to where it might go ahead and do it. We get up there, we may put our stop in just above VWAP, and hopefully it'll just go right on up. We don't want to lose money. But coming into this VWAP, that's not a trade we normally allow to enter. But the bot says this is a high probability trade. So we're going to let it see what it does here. I'll bring the stop right up to here. We turn this on, then we can click there, and that will move the stop up. And again, we don't want to lose money, so we may go ahead and put our stop up here just because of that VWAP, and see what happens here. So this is live trade. It's not looking like it wants to push above that VWAP. So I tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my stop there just so that we don't lose money here. And this may go ahead and push up, but we went ahead and took that profit. It was about $300 or so, but that's fine, because around that VWAP, you'll a lot of times get a reversal coming right off from it. So we're going to pause this. When we get around this VWAP, I like to pause. That's why I paused it here. And then when we go over, this was a winner, and this was a winner, this was a winner. This one may or may not be a winner. I think it'll be a loser because we come into the VWAP. And these are some of the rules that we go over. If you get around a VWAP, common sense says don't trade around VWAP, especially when it is level like this. When you have a horizontal VWAP, price may not move the way it should. Now we have these numbers up here. These are some rules that I won't go over on YouTube, but I will. Once you sign up for the lease, I teach you what these numbers mean and what we're trying to do with them. And it was actually a good trade to take other than going into VWAP. We don't want to trade this close to VWAP. We just don't want to do it. And it's a good thing we took that profit. This one right here will probably sell off all the way down to here. It will not take the trade though because we have a green wildfire. So unless we get a red signal before that, it won't even trade. So how do you get started? You come up here, go to SpyMoneyLSE.com. Go up here to the Ninja Suite. When you click on that, you're going to hear this little video right here. I'm going to pause it. And it kind of tells you about what to expect with the Ninja Suite. With it, you're going to get all of the bots. The main one we use is the coaster bot, which you just saw. It's probably the only bot I think everybody's using, and I think it's the only one you really need to use. It does a very good job. But if you want to get started, I want you to read through this. If you agree to this, and one of the things is SpyBot auto trading bots are not set it and leave it bots. A lot of people think you're just going to turn on a bot, go to work, come back and be rich, and that is not the case at all. If anything, when you do this, often you will come back and have blown your account. So there's a risk reward in there. Sometimes I will run a bot, but I will have it set to where I won't lose more than X amount of dollars. And I usually do that based on if I have a good profitable day, sometimes I will turn it up a little bit and make a little more. But you can't turn these on and walk away. That's just not what you do, especially with a prop firm. Prop firms, a lot of times you can do that, and the prop firms will mess up and cause you trouble. So if you agree to all this, you just left click and you drag over and highlight all this, and then you go ahead and copy it. Come up to the top, you'll find a contact us. This makes a legally binding contract that you read that and understand it. First name, last name, email, phone number, right click and paste. Click submit, and that will come to me, and at that point I will give you a link to join. So in the Ninja Suite, what you're going to get are the bots. You're going to get the indicators. Let me go back up.
Having trouble with your trades.
So you'll come all the way down here to the bottom, and it will be the current bots that we have in our import. We changed this up. So currently I'm using several bots because some people use a different bot, but the coaster is the main one you want. That's real easy to learn. It takes, within an hour you should be able to turn it on, understand what it's going to do, and learn how to trade it. Depending on the person, some people take longer, some people do it in 5 minutes. You get a lot of indicators, more than what is here. There's a lot of indicators. I do no longer offer a trade copier. We recommend to go to FlowBots with Replicanto and use theirs. They keep it up to date. It's the best one on the market. I can't compete with it, so why try? They have a really good bot, or not bot, but a really good copier to trade the bots, and that's what we recommend. Toolbars, which is this right here across the side. If I can get it over there. All of these right here, and then we also have some drawing tools and so forth that we have built. Frequently asked questions, read through this. This will help you out as far as understanding a lot of the questions you may have. I would say probably 99.9% of the questions will be answered right here. So once you go through that, if you're happy, send us a contact with that information, and then we'll send you a link so that you can get joined. As soon as you pay, you get immediate access. You're going to get access to the back end, which is this right here. And this will help you out. So your machine ID, you can do it right here. You don't have to wait on me. There's a lot of different information here. The download files are right here. Setup instructions, a lot of videos showing you how to use the indicators, the bots, and so forth. But honestly, if you just go to the coaster, that's all you need. You can also do a VPS. We partner up with someone, and they have a really good VPS that works good here. Click that. This is the one I recommend. Prices may have changed. I'm not sure. Funded accounts, we recommend 4 different ones. Most people use Apex and BluSky. These are the 2 that most people are using. BluSky gives you a live trading account. They're the only one that does that. The rest of them are live sim accounts, so they're paying it out of the money that they make off of the resets and so forth. BluSky, they make money off of what you literally trade live. So I like it. We do have some discounts down here you can click on. Get those discounts, get signed up, and if you have any questions at all, let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you. Right here was another winner right there. Now this one going into VWAP, we would not have traded that one. This one we would have traded because we are trading away from VWAP. So this would have been another winner here. This one was going to be a loser if I didn't take that stop and move it up there to VWAP, but I explained why, and it was actually a good decision. So you got 1, 2, 3. I would not have allowed this one typically, and this one I would have. There's 4 winners. This would have been a stop out if you hadn't have touched the bot, but you still had 4 other winners. So 4 times 8 is 3,200. 2,200 on top of this, so that would be over $13,000 if you'd let it run. Let me know if you have any questions or anything. I'd love to get you started on it today. Most people get started and making money the same day, and let me know how I can help you. Have a great day.